Good morning, little cookie. It's Sunday, and this weekend, my only contribution to the society so far has been getting a huge tree branch in the house, which was being scrapped. I was just out on my walk, and I saw these gardeners around my complex do some cropping and chopping. So I just spotted a very pretty branch, and I'm going to try and convert it into a decor piece. Okay, come on. Look how happy my cat is. After this, I felt like I've been so productive, I should just sleep. Anyways, today is Sunday and I've decided to take charge of my day. Because I have shit ton of party prep to do, which is fun in itself, but it's in the form of a to-do list that you're already running behind. It's not. And what am I doing, if you may ask? Making a to-do list. After doing my favorite activity, which is making a list of things to do, it was time for my favorite Sunday breakfast, puri masala dosa. The orgasm is real, you guys. I made myself another green tea. क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है that if I layer my cheat meals with green tea, my stomach will be less forgiving. Sorry, more forgiving. We need to have a chat shesh. I'm gonna overshare just for a little bit. I don't know what happened in the last couple of weeks, but my confidence and my thoughts are down in the drain. Bottom of it. So that has really made me turn inwards towards myself too. And when you do that, you notice there are parts of you that you've ignored for so long and you've just forgotten, just to keep the flow of things all right. And you're like, I'm gonna have to sit with that. Somewhere in that, I discovered this fear in me. Do you ever feel like you have friends, but you don't have close friends, or whoever your close friends are slowly drifting apart? Or I'm great at making friends, I'm not sure if I'm great at keeping them. These days we see a lot of discourse and talk on social media about toxic friendships and friendship running its course, and when your closest relationships stop meeting you where you are, you're always told to let them go. I know we're living in 2025 and there are many platforms that you can just find people of your common interest. You being lonely is not the problem. But I think finding friend is one thing, but finding your chicken soup friend, someone who would cook soup for you when you're sick, down to the D, when you're not having it, when you're hurting, when you're just in a bad phase in life, is that someone who you reach out to? That kind of friendship is very difficult to come around or build in this day and age. Making new friends is anyways tricky in your late 20s and 30s. Like, why should I have to microanalyze someone's intentions all the time? Why can't I just be like, hey, I like your vibe. Hey, I don't like your vibe. Maybe work on yourself. Sadly and realistically, you just have to pick up your signal and learn when to fuck and rediscover things someplace else, maybe in a new way altogether. But I know one thing, that I'm not closing the door on new connections and equations in life. My philosophy is, as long as you're experiencing good things, you're good. Doesn't matter if you're doing it with your closest of the friends or you're doing it alone. How many ever weird experiences come and go, that's not changing. It's time to paint the tree. I feel like a little kid.
Show me a big dick. Show me.
Let's see.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
We're gonna go and do our Sunday rituals. I made this little mask. I don't really use market available face masks.
In this, I have rice flour, a tablespoon of curd, and a little drizzle of honey.
Smells horrible. But as long as it works, bro.
Wake up, babe. She has finally showered.
So Sunday is all about exfoliating, right? Even the rice flour face pack which I used is pretty exfoliating. Like, I gently scrub it while I'm washing it off. Another thing which I use for exfoliation is this benzoyl peroxide gel face wash. It is great for clearing up those pores.
Another exfoliating product that I really have loved over the months is this Ordinary AHA BHA serum.
The suitable time to use this is of course at night. 2 to 3 drops on your face. Keep it strictly for 10 minutes. I put a timer on always. Do not exceed a second more than that. Don't mess with acid. I have the biggest pores on my nose, and usually why I develop blackheads very quickly. So this combination is keeping me alive. Because I hate ending up at a salon for those cleanups. It's very hurtful to get it out. We tried to oh shit, I was supposed to wet my face. It's like wearing a mustache on your nose. I have also started using something. I'm 29 and I'm a skincare fanatic. This day had to come. I'm using retinol. Oops. T9 cream 0.025. I've seen all the celebrities use it. And even though it's just been 2 days, I can't wait to see the results. I'm also being very cautious with it because I've heard a lot of things. There's like proper instruction to how you use this shit. I don't have an acne issue and I have 2 spots on my cheeks which have not gone for a very long time. I also have a very bumpy forehead. My forehead is pretty huge to be ignored. So I'm hoping it would help with that. Let's see. Okay, I think it's time to strip. Oh.
Little ASMR for you.
It's my one last step for Sunday skincare. It feels so good. Like it's so cute and soothing. It can just stay on my face forever. I want to show you some cute stuff that I bought for my party. Starting off with this cute Christmassy holiday phone cover from Savannah. This was just for $200. I'm just gonna put it right now. I like this little gold detailing here. On similar theme, I've ordered these cute candles. This is apple cinnamon, it just smells so good. Next, I bought a fondue pot from Amazon. So I thought this was a good investment overall, not just for the party, for any winter evenings that we can just enjoy. These cute cookie cutter, I'll be using them for my sandwich board. Cute sandwiches in different shapes. Handing out random gifts as a part of the game that I have planned. So I got these cute keychains from Meesho. I know it's not Christmas anymore. So these cute decoration balls, look how pretty they are. And that's all. Oops, she's in her kitchen now. Just 2 days to the party. It's the last weekend I have. So I'm trying to prep for a lot of food items beforehand. One of them is carrot cake. Seen multiple recipes 100 times because I don't think I'm good at baking and I don't even have an oven. I'm gonna try and make it in air fryer. I have all my ingredients. I ordered it from Amazon now. I'm so tired doing that. Now we just have to wait for another 45 minutes and see how it turns out.